Hello viewers, welcome to Deepu's Chem classes. I am putting videos based on 11th chemistry of Tamil Nadu government syllabus. So please kindly share this video link to all the 11th standard students so that they will understand the concept in a better way. So today we are going to see about the continuations in chemical calculations. Okay. So here we are going to see about balancing of redox reactions by oxidation number method. Let us see oxidation number method. For example, ferrous sulfate plus potassium permanganate plus sulfuric acid gives ferric sulfate plus manganese sulfate plus potassium sulfate plus water. This is the equation given in a non-stoichiometric form, that is unbalanced proportion it is given. So we have to balance the number of atoms in either side, that is reactant side and product side, as equal. Okay, right. So for this, the step 1 we have to identify the oxidation and reduction process, that is where the oxidation occurs and where the reduction occurs by means of oxidation number. Okay, so that is actually the first step. So for example, in reactant side iron shows the oxidation number +2, but in product side it shows +3. That means oxidation number changes by 1 electron. So it shows oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases means what is the process actually called? Oxidation, right? Then in reactant side, manganese shows +7 oxidation state and product side manganese shows +2 oxidation state. So here it indicates oxidation number decreases. Oxidation number decreases means what is the process actually? Reduction. So in step 2, we have to calculate the number of electrons that is lost during oxidation and gained during reduction. Ferrous sulfate changes its oxidation number +2 to +3 by losing 1 electron. So since it loses electrons, we indicate a downward arrow mark. So indicates 1 electron. Okay. Then manganese changes its oxidation number from +7 to +2. That means it gained 5 electrons. So since it gained electron, indicate a upward arrow mark. Then below that indicate 5 electrons. So if you see well, iron in reactant side we have only 1 mole of iron, then but in product side we have 2 moles of iron. So they just multiply the lost electron and gain electron by commonly by the number 2. Okay, so that we can get 2 electrons over here and 10 electrons over here. Then after finding out the number of electrons, then we have to cross multiply the number of electrons, so that we have get 10 electrons before ferrous sulfate and 2 electrons before KMnO4. Okay, so in third step, based on the balancing that just we have done on the reactant side, we are going to balance the elements on the product side also. Okay, so we have 10 FES, Fe here, that is on reactant side, but here we have only 2 Fe on the product side. So we have to balance this. If we put 5 before the compound, then it becomes 5 into 2, 10. Okay, so now iron is balanced. So just write roughly reactant side, the balanced elements roughly. Reactant side, product side. So now Fe is balanced. Okay, product side also Fe is balanced, 10 10 each. Right. Then what is the next balanced element? Manganese. We have 2 manganese atom on reactant side, but we have only 1 manganese on the product side. So if we put 2 before MnSO4, now manganese also get balanced in reactant side as well as product side. Okay. Then in fourth step, other than hydrogen and oxygen, we have to balance the other elements. So other than hydrogen and oxygen, we have sulfur, as well as potassium. Potassium, in reactant side we have 2 potassium, product side also we have 2 potassium. So it's already balanced. Then the next element remaining is nothing but sulfur. So we have 10 plus 1, 11 on the reactant side, and 3 into 5, 15 plus 2 plus 1, totally 18 on the product side. So we have to we have less number of sulfur in reactant side, so we have to balance that in reactant side. So if we touch ferrous sulfate, automatically it will alter the balancing in product side also. So it's already we have done, so we should not touch this one. So what is remaining? Sulfuric acid is alone remaining. So here we can balance that. So if we put before, okay, if we put 8 before sulfuric acid, then sulfur will be balanced on either side. So if we put 8 before sulfuric acid, then sulfur will be balanced on either side. So that now sulfur is balanced. Okay. Then what is remaining? Hydrogen and oxygen. So in the next step, we are going to balance hydrogen and oxygen. So let us balance hydrogen first. So count the number of hydrogen atoms on reactant side and product side. So we have 2 into 8, 16 hydrogens in reactant side. We have only 2 hydrogens on product side. So if we put 8 before water, then hydrogen is automatically balanced. 8 into 2 becomes 16. So now hydrogen is balanced on either side, reactant side and product side. Okay. Then look at what is remaining else. Oxygen. Count the number of oxygen atoms on either side. After balancing all the elements, oxygen will get automatically balanced. So anyway, let us check once. 4 in 10 into 4, 40. Okay. Then 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 4, 32. So totally 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 40, 80 on the reactant side. Then let us check the same on the product side also. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. 2 into 4, 8. 4. Here it is 4. Here 8. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 60, 80. So oxygen gets automatically balanced. So now all the element is balanced. Okay. So we get a balanced equation. 10 FeSO4 plus 2 KMnO4 plus 8 H2SO4 gives 5 Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2 MnSO4 plus K2SO4 plus 8 H2O. So we get a balanced equation now. Okay, we get a balanced equation now. So once we recall, in first step we have to find out where the oxidation and reduction occurs by oxidation number changes. Okay, then we have to indicate the number of electrons that we lost during oxidation process and gained during reduction process under the concerned element. Then we have to cross multiply that electrons. Then we have to, based on the reactants balancing done on the reactant side, we just balance the same elements on the product side also. Then in the next step, other than hydrogen and oxygen, we have to balance the remaining elements present in the equation. Then then the next step, we have to calculate the hydrogen. We have to balance the hydrogen atom. Then after balancing all the elements, oxygen gets automatically balanced. So that's all about the oxidation number method. We will see remaining in the next upcoming video. So please give valuable comments to my teaching, like my channel, share my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.